Hello, welcome to Ki-Cad. Open Ki-Cad and go to File and press on New Project and save wherever you want to save the file. Then go to Schematic and click on it, and you will see a new window opens up. On the right hand side, you can see the list of components. So press on New Symbol and search whichever component you want. First, we'll search resistor and place it on the screen. The second component we need is the LED. Go ahead and right click on it and press OK. And then last thing we need is a battery. So go ahead and place it on the screen. You can scroll down to zoom in, and now we will go over the resistor, and if you press M you can move the components, or if you press R you can rotate the components. Now let's go ahead and connect these components by using wire. Now let's annotate the circuit. Before you annotate, you need to add the values to the components. So let's just choose 9 volt for the battery, and that's it. Now you annotate the circuit. Go into tools and annotate schematic. Annotate and press OK. Now go to tools and assign component footprint. A new tab will be opened, and this would take a little bit time to load. So now you can see the three components on the list. Now press on battery, and on the left hand side you can see a list of components. Now go to pin headers, and on the right hand side choose the pin header 54 mm. Yeah, sorry, 2.5 millimeters. Go to LEDs and select the LED. Now go to resistors and select the 10th resistor. Save your edits. So now we are done. Go to generate netlist, generate a netlist, and save it wherever you want to save it. Now go to tools and layout printed circuit board. So now a black screen with on your screen. So now read the netlist. Go to browse and choose the netlist that you have saved before. So after you have chosen the netlist you want, read current netlist and close. So now you can see your component or the circuit that you have designed before, and this is called the footprint. So again you can press M and move the components. The white line show the components that need to be connected through wires. So let me just go ahead and place these components properly. This might take a while. So I'll just rotate it and see if it looks good or not. So I'll just place it in such a way that it looks proper and neat. Now let's connect the components using wires. There you can see forward and backward. So F denotes forward and B denotes backward. Select the forward wire and then just right click and place the wire. Mm, yeah, just right click and yeah, now you can see the wire. It is in red color. Now we will connect the LED and the battery using the backward wire. Now you can see the green color wire which denotes the backward wire. Now go and click on add graphic line. That would be the boundary of your PCB. So make sure that your PCB ends where it starts. So we are done here with the board. Now just let's go and go to file and save it. Oh, sorry, go to the, view and go to 3D viewer so you can see the 3D view of your PCB. So this is the 3D view of your PCB. If you move your mouse, you can see, uh, yeah, from above and below. And that's it.